the 463 I was talking to you folks about earlier. I pulled out the spools, the system that contains the spools and the seals. As you can see, it's not in there anymore. It's over here. It's right over here. It's squirting out through that little hole there, so there's something wrong. I don't know, I never worked on one of these before, but I imagine the seal's messed up inside. We're gonna see. I'm gonna take this nut out, this bolt out, and the bolt under here and see what's in there. That's it, folks. That's what I had to take out. See in a little bit what's going on. I'll let you know.